Something massive changed in robotics this year. Robots are no longer just machines made of metal and code. They are becoming faster, smarter, softer, and more human-like than ever before. Some of them are even starting to make people uncomfortable because they feel almost too real. In Shanghai, a humanoid robot called Moya was revealed, and it instantly grabbed global attention. Unlike traditional robots that look mechanical, Moya was designed to behave and interact more like a real human. It can smile, maintain eye contact, and copy subtle facial expressions that make conversations feel natural. The company behind it says the robot even maintains a human-like body temperature during interaction, making it feel less like a cold machine and more like an artificial person. Social media reactions were divided. Some people called it the future of assistants and companions, while others said it entered the uncanny valley, where something looks so human that it becomes unsettling. At the same time, Boston Dynamics made a huge announcement about Atlas, its famous humanoid robot. The robot that once went viral for doing backflips and parkour is now moving into real industrial work. Atlas is expected to be deployed in factories with companies like Hyundai and Google DeepMind. That means humanoid robots are no longer just research projects or internet entertainment. They are becoming part of the real workforce. China also showcased humanoid robots performing kung fu, synchronized dances, and gymnastics during the country's Spring Festival Gala, one of the most watched television events in the world. But while some robots are being designed for entertainment and service, others are being built for something much darker. China recently revealed robotic wolf packs equipped with AI systems and heavy weapons designed for urban combat scenarios. These machines are capable of coordinated attacks and battlefield operations, raising serious questions about the future of warfare and autonomous weapons. And then came one of the most futuristic reveals of all. Unitree Robotics introduced the GD1, a giant man-mech robot that looks like something straight out of Transformers movie. The machine weighs around 500 kilograms and can actually be piloted by a human operator sitting inside it. Giant controllable robots are no longer science fiction anymore. They are becoming reality. But one of the most surprising developments came from Shenzhen, where researchers created a soft humanoid robot called GrowHR. Unlike normal rigid robots, this machine has a flexible, expandable structure inspired by human bones. It can stretch to nearly 3 times its original height, shrink to move through tight spaces, crawl, swim, float, and even walk on water. Because of its lightweight design, researchers believe robots like this could someday be used in rescue missions where humans cannot safely go. Another major breakthrough is happening in robotic teamwork. A company called Limx Dynamics demonstrated 18 humanoid robots autonomously walking out of shipping containers and marching together in synchronized formation without direct human control. This shows that robots are beginning to operate not just as individual machines, but as coordinated groups capable of working together in factories, warehouses, and potentially entire cities. So now the biggest question is this. Are we witnessing the beginning of a new industrial revolution, or are humans slowly building their own replacements? Robots are starting to look human, move naturally, learn faster, and perform tasks that once required people. In the best-case scenario, they could transform healthcare, manufacturing, rescue operations, and daily life. But if this technology moves in the wrong direction, it could also create risks humanity has never faced before. One thing is clear. The robotics future is no longer decades away. It is happening right now, and the world may never look the same again.